I don't know actually why I bought this chili here. Let me, because actually I would like to try. Can I try like this? Oi, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Great. What do you sell? You sell flour or what? In this is king chili. This is very chili or what? Can you eat like that? Can you eat like that? Can you eat? Try. Can eat. No problem.
No problem.
Oh, no problem. Can eat. Okay, I try. Mo. Oi. Oi. Let me try. What is this one? This is a king chili on it. Yeah. Oi!
No.
Hello, yeah. You want to eat? To eat?
Very.
And it's very spicy. You want? So get the. Ah, nee. My goodness, it's very spicy. Ah. Oh. One more. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh nee. That was a mistake. Oi.
I'm not a subscriber, but I used to see your videos, man.
Thank you. Jim.
No.
Nee. Oi.
Can I take a selfie with you?
Quickly. Oh my goodness.
Why you think it's too spicy?
Oh. Nee. Oh.
Come visit our shop, Asian Korean.
Where?
Yeah.
Nee.
Come.
Nee. So spicy.
We all are your subscribers. Full shop. Fully loaded.
Oh, let's go.
You have never visited our shop. Come, let's visit.
It is very spicy.
What do you eat?
This one. Nee.
This is very spicy.
This is very spicy.
Yeah. If you mix it up with this, it will look very.
My mouth is burning.
Again. Paduh is here. Again.
Nee.
Gatan na pues.
It's very spicy.
You want water?
Yes, you have water?
Yeah, I'll break.
My goodness. My legs are like shivering, like, you know. My goodness, that was a mistake.
This one is very.
It is very spicy. And it's still burning. Look my eyes, man. Nee.